Meaning of e-tailer.
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 E-tailer. The term e-tailer refers to an electronic retailer or an online merchant. E-tailers are businesses that sell products or services exclusively through the internet. E-tailers have significantly changed the retail industry by offering customers a more convenient and accessible way to shop. They typically operate through their own website or platforms such as Amazon or Alibaba. E-tailers offer various benefits such as lower overhead costs and larger customer reach. The rise of e-tailers has also led to increased competition, forcing traditional retailers to adapt and incorporate online sales into their business models.